Hey there friends, I'm back again with another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to delete a folder in Windows 10. Let's start! First, locate the folder you want to delete. It could be on your desktop, in a folder, or anywhere on your computer. Once you find the folder, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up. In the context menu, click on Delete. The folder will be sent to the recycle bin. If you change your mind and want to restore the folder, you can open the recycle bin, locate the folder, and choose Restore. If you want to permanently delete the folder without sending it to the recycle bin, hold the Shift key on your keyboard while right-clicking on the folder. In the context menu, click on Delete. Windows will ask you to confirm the permanent deletion. Once you click Yes, the folder will be permanently deleted. Be cautious as this action cannot be undone and the folder will be gone forever. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted the folder in Windows 10. Remember to be careful when deleting folders, especially if they contain important files. Always double-check before confirming the deletion. Deleting folders in Windows 10 is an essential skill to keep your computer organized and free up space. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to delete a folder in Windows 10, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy organizing, and until next time, take care!